Hello traders. Today is the 4th of April 2010, and this is the second part of how to trade the inverted head and shoulder chart pattern like professional traders. Okay. If you haven't watched the first part, I advise you that you try to do that. Very important subject about trading because this is happening all the time. The good thing about the patterns is that they repeat themselves very often. Okay, you see them here, double, and exactly the same thing somewhere there, another double top there, another double bottom here, another inverted head and shoulder. All these patterns just happening all the time. Okay, so the traders, the professional trader, they know that they are very reliable pattern, and they study them very carefully, and they are just waiting for them. They don't. Some people don't even look at the stochastic, or the CCI, or the whatever Arun, or whatever, some of them alligator, all kind of millions of indicator we have now that people get confused. In the past, before the age of the computers, how the professional trader were trading? They were trading with the chart itself, and the, those people make millions of money. You see, now the new generation of traders, we rely on all kind of indicators to make our decision, and a lot of people, they open their chart, and what do they look at? They are busy looking at the stochastic, or busy looking at the MACD, or busy looking at some of the funny name of indicator, instead of looking at the price, you know. And sometimes if you trade, when I was like a beginner, I was trading, sometimes you look back, you see, it was just obvious, what the price was showing you. But because you are too focused on the indicator, you miss the point, okay? Because the stochastic maybe, or the market is telling you something, and you pay attention, you're looking down on the lower part of your chart instead of looking on the upper part, which is the price itself, okay? And then later on, you see everything is so clear. And when you remove all those indicators, you just see that all the smart people were doing, they were just buying at a key support and a key resistance level. Believe me, these things take ages to sink in, because when I realized that the key things that move the market is a valid support and valid resistance level, it's like a weight has been lifted from my back. My eyes are just, it's like I move away from the computer for a while, feel free. Because when you start trading first as a beginner, you want a system, okay? So you go around buying system after system after system, and you buy books after books after book. You go to webinar after webinar after webinar. You go to seminar. You try everything, and you are confused, okay? And then the another mistake that the beginners will do, they will use because you want to try every indicator, okay? So you go, they say positive volume, a negative volume, accumulation and distribution indicator, unbalanced volume, and then you try this one, 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 because you are missing the point. That's what I'm saying. A failure is missing the point. You are missing the point. The key thing that is moving the market is the support and resistance level. You look on the professional, where the stock market open, they have their cheat sheet in their hand. That's what they have. Their cheat sheet. They know the key levels. That's what they are waiting for. Okay. And then they just watch the price, okay, and they hit that level. They see what everybody doing, and everybody shouting, sell, 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 sell. What do? You join the party, okay? You also sell, okay, at a key resistance. No. If you hit a key support like a S&P 500 and reach a major support level, you can see the market that they will move. Nobody will dare to sell when the S&P 500 reaches a major support level, and that support level has been validated. You should be mad to sell that day, and the market will move 300 point whatever. So at least this is the point. So that's why I find it so important that we must now bring the attention of all the traders, because the more people are aware of this, the quicker you make money. Because if you enter your trade and the majority of people think exactly the same thing like you make your money quickly instead of when you are buying somebody else is selling, okay, or maybe they blow up your stuff before they realize that they were wrong themselves, that the thing is supposed to go up, okay. So for a healthy market, for the brokers to make their money also, and we make our money also, and everybody's happy, everybody should be educated about the chart, okay, like they were doing at the beginning. There were no indicator at all. People were calculating things by their hand. So that's why I'm busy here doing my little bit, hopefully, okay, like every other traders, okay. A lot of interest in YouTube. Congratulations to YouTube, excellent job they are doing. These people, lovely people, you know, many thanks to them. We can share our experience. So the inverted head and shoulder is a double ABCD pattern. That's what I say in the first part of this. If I try to draw a line here on my chart, you will see it, okay. I try to divide this ABCD part, this inverted head and shoulder in two, and you can see here you have A, B, C, D. Completion. When the ABCD pattern is completed, in a downtrend, okay, ABCD pattern for downtrend, A, B, C, D is completed in a downtrend. At this point here, when you see this happen and you know that it's completed here, buy here. Don't wait for anything else, just buy here, because those people who sold it here will come out here, yeah. And the people who are coming, the bear who are closing their position here, added to those who new buyers, will create this leg here, okay. And then you are rewarded nicely to this support level, okay. And another thing I want to say about the ABCD pattern, it gives you the target. You know a little bit, you have a bit of idea, not is guaranteed, you have a bit of idea where the market is going, okay. And that's what the swing trader are doing. After this level is broken, they see their trend line is broken here, they sell here, and they know they place their limit order here to come out here. And sometimes, because the professional trader are in charge, okay, nobody will mess with the professional trader. If you mess with them, they'll punish you. They will all come out here, okay, and everybody buy. It's orderly market, and you make money if you're in an orderly. I told you, if you want to make money, follow the professional traders, okay. That's why you don't trade the Asian session, and you enter the market after London Open and New York Open, where the professionals sit on their desk, do exactly like them. If they are not there, you also stay home. Don't stay in the market with some crazy trader that will mess you up, okay. So this is the double ABCD pattern. I hope this video also is useful to you. So everybody come here, you buy, okay. So when you see a completion of ABCD pattern, this one is the uptrend ABCD pattern. Uptrend A, B, C, D. So what are you going to do here? You must sell. You must sell. It's not a joke. You must sell. Just sell. You must sell because it's completed. Sell. Okay? You sell it there, okay? And you respect it. So if you're going to come out at the support levels, okay? If the support level is broken, usually you will try to go down, and the further you can go, it will come. Or I mean, it does not have to do it, okay? The likelihood is this end here, but it must not, okay? It must not. Don't think that it must. Be flexible, okay? So I hope you learned something about the inverted head and shoulder, which is in fact a hidden double ABCD pattern. So you keep your eyes open, okay, and look at the chart, okay. Don't pay attention too much to the indicator. They are useful, the indicator. I'm not saying that they are useless. They can be useless sometimes, but the price is the most important data we have, okay. So I hope you learned something from this video, and keep your eyes open and know that is the support and the resistance. That's it. Till next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. Thank you.